Okay, this is James Eversole. I'm doing a video blog introduction, apparently, for, what is it for? Senior design, yes, so everybody can know me. Okay, so where am I from? I'm not local. I'm from Lima, a little ways north, but I've lived elsewhere. Maybe we'll talk about that sometime. What types of job have I had? Well, I assume you want to know about tech jobs. Okay, so in the Army, I was a network and systems guy. So I basically worked on a intelligence team who sucked up communications of the bad guys and interpreted them, and then did stuff from that. So my part of that was to maintain and connect the machines that sucked up the signals. The signal sucking machines, yes. Do you have a hobby or play sports? No. No, I do not. I don't really have time for hobbies anymore, although I read quite a bit, mostly when I'm trying to fall asleep. I write a fair bit, not so much anymore. That's kind of fallen away because I need time to work on school. And I'm, just computer stuff, because that's how I got here. I used to game a lot. World of Warcraft was my chosen drug. I don't do that anymore, so I can have a life now, which is great. Having a life is good. I'm in the network track. Yeah, I am not involved in any clubs. What unique skills would be in the project? Okay, so in the Army, I was known for just kind of coming up with answers. We'd be out troubleshooting something, a satellite dish or a certain sensor or something, and we'd all just be standing around, and we will have tried everything that we thought it might be, and then we're all kind of standing around looking at each other, and I'm like, I'm gonna go smoke a cigarette. So off I go out to the smoke pit, and I stand there and I smoke my cigarette and I think about it, and I come back in and I go, have we tried something? Blah 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 blah. Have we tried X? And everybody goes, no, we haven't tried that, and we'll try it, and that's the problem. Like, it didn't happen every time, but it happened enough time that people, when we got stuck, they'd be like, hey, go smoke a cigarette and come back and give us the answer already. So, I am not psychic as far as I know, but it's in there somewhere. It's just got to come out. So, yeah, I think I'm super easy to work with. I was in the military, so we communicate well. We're very no nonsense. That's me. Yeah, I don't really know any software languages. If I did, I'd be a programmer. I know like HTML and Java and stuff like that when I see it. Like if I look at it, I'm like, okay, I kind of know what this. I kind of get the gist. But I don't think I could create a web page, even though I have from intro to web, whatever that was called. I've done that, but I don't think I could do it again. I don't really. That's not my gig. So I'm a network and systems guy, and I do network and systems. I'm working on my CCNA right now, which, if you don't know, is a Cisco Certified Network Associate, which is switches and routing and blah blah blah. Because I'm a network guy. I'm sort of I wouldn't call myself an amateur hacker because I don't really do it very well or often. But I am interested in the security side of networking because I think that makes you a better networker. Just as if you're in the security track, knowing a little bit about networking makes you a better security person. And I suppose that's true for programming as well, even though I don't like to admit it because I don't like programming. Okay, well, we're coming up on 5 minutes, so... Hey, Roscoe, come here, bud. Come here, buddy. This is one of my dogs. His name is Roscoe, and he's a big baby. Yeah. Where's your sister? She's around here somewhere. Hey, sis, come here. Come here, baby girl. Yeah. This is the other one. She's a little princess. Oh, yeah, I know. Look at the camera. What is that? So that's my dogs. There you go. What more do you want? You got to meet an awesome guy, and you got to see two cute puppies. So, show's over.